Welcome to Fourth Industrial Avenue, your comprehensive guide to the future of technology. Today we're delving into the exciting world of Binance and its contributions to blockchain technology. Binance, in simple terms, is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. It's a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. But what makes Binance so significant? It's all about blockchain, a revolutionary technology that allows for secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions. Binance utilizes this technology to provide a reliable and efficient trading platform. The blockchain serves as a public ledger, recording every transaction that takes place. It's this transparency and security that makes Binance and other crypto exchanges so appealing. Binance has paved the way for many advancements in blockchain technology, setting the stage for a new era of digital transactions. Now, let's shift gears and discuss Binance's role in shaping the regulatory landscape of the crypto industry. Through its operations, Binance has significantly influenced regulations around the world. Its proactive and cooperative stance with regulators has often resulted in a more dynamic and forward-thinking approach to legislation. Let's take a simple example. Binance's introduction of Know Your Customer or KYC protocols helped establish a standard for identity verification across the industry. This was a crucial step in legitimizing digital assets and providing a framework for regulatory compliance. Moreover, Binance's global presence has necessitated its adaptation to various legal frameworks. By working within these systems, Binance has played a crucial role in shaping policies around digital assets, setting a precedent for other players in the industry. Binance's influence on regulatory matters has not only helped it navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency, but has also paved the way for future developments in the industry. Binance's influence extends beyond blockchain technology and regulatory landscapes. It has also played an instrumental role in the growth of the cryptocurrency market. As one of the world's largest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance has facilitated unprecedented growth within the crypto market. Its platform offers a vast array of cryptocurrencies for trading, far beyond the usual heavyweights like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This extensive range has opened the door for countless investors to explore a broader spectrum of digital assets, fostering diversity and encouraging the growth of lesser-known cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, Binance has consistently prioritized user experience. With its intuitive interface, educational resources, and customer support, it has made cryptocurrency trading accessible to the masses, demystifying the complexities of the crypto world. In addition, Binance's robust security measures have contributed to the overall trust in the market, promoting stability and attracting more investors. With its extensive reach and innovative platform, Binance continues to drive the growth of the cryptocurrency market. Binance's contributions to the cryptocurrency industry are vast and far-reaching. As we've seen, this titan of the crypto world has played a pivotal role in the development of blockchain technology, pushing the envelope and driving innovation. It's not just about creating a platform for trading digital assets. Binance has also made significant strides in shaping the regulatory landscape, establishing standards, and fostering transparency in an often murky market. Moreover, its influence on the growth of the cryptocurrency market cannot be understated. Binance's commitment to making crypto accessible to all has undoubtedly fueled the widespread adoption of digital currencies, making it an integral part of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Thanks for watching Fourth Industrial Avenue. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when we upload a new video. Remember, the information presented on this channel is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.